Prayer to our Father for the family. Our Father, Lord of heaven and earth, holy be your name in our home. Let your kingdom dwell among us. Let your will be our daily bread.
Today, the grace we need, the strength to love, the light to see. When hearts grow weary, hold us close. When words fall short, speak peace.
Forgive us, Father, our failings and fears, as we forgive those who wound us in pain. Teach us mercy, teach us humility, bind us together in your name.